Another overseas customer has placed an order for equipment. This time, our Egyptian client traveled a long way to China to conduct an on-site factory inspection. They visited the production workshop, carefully observed the entire process of pultrusion equipment manufacturing and mold processing, and verified the details of the pultrusion molding process on site. The client carefully inspected the finished profiles and learned about production raw materials such as fiberglass and resin while meticulously verifying every stage of the process, from initial material cutting and processing to final machine assembly and commissioning. They also consulted with the technical team regarding equipment specifications and production capacity requirements. At the conclusion of the meeting, a set of exquisite porcelain was presented to the client as a gift, conveying Chinese sentiments of friendship and goodwill. With overseas orders continuing to be fulfilled, the factory's solid capabilities are evident.